In Raptor, how to check the given numbers is whether it is a triangle or not. If it is a triangle, then what type of triangle it is. Like generally there are three types of triangles: scalene triangle, isosceles and equilateral triangle. In which category it defines, we used to do program by using the Raptor. First, before proceeding, first you need to save the file. So click on File, Save As. Okay. It will automatically there the start and the end. First you need to give the inputs, like we need to take the three sides, no? So we need to we just need to drag and drop this input here itself. Yes. Next. I'm dragging three inputs because we need to enter three sides, no? Just go to that input box and click on right click and click on edit. Enter the text like enter the first side of the triangle. So here we need to enter the variable. Just simply enter A. Done. Go to second input and right click, click on edit. Again you need to enter the second side. Okay. The variable name is second side is B. You can take any type of variable. There is no specific to take only A, B, C. Here I am using just A, B, C. Right click, click on edit. Enter the third side. Triangle. I am taking third side as C. So click on done. See, we take three inputs. Next we need to categorize. Like generally there is a rule. If you want to check whether the given inputs is triangle or not, first we need to select this session. Just drag and drop here. So you need to write the condition. Right click, click on edit. If it is a condition like if any two sides is greater than the third side, then it's a triangle. If not, it's not a triangle. So I am writing that condition. A plus B greater than C, or B plus C greater than A, or C plus A greater than B. So here is my condition. Done. Okay. If it is S, then we can conclude like which type of triangle. If it is no, so there itself it is the end point for it's not a triangle. So we are just drag and dropping the output, because if it is not, it's not a triangle. Edit, click on right click and click on edit. Just write it is not a triangle. Click on done. If it is yes, that means it's a triangle. Just drag and drop the output here. Click, right click and edit. It is a triangle. So if it is a triangle, there are basically three types, whether it is a scalene, isosceles and equilateral triangle. So we need to again drag and drop this session, like for defining the which type of triangle. Again here we need to write the condition in the selection box. Just right click on edit. If A equal to B and B equal to C and C equal to A. That means if three sides are equal. If S, then it is an equilateral triangle. So we just want to drag and drop the output. Click on that, right click, edit. Is a equilateral just click on done. If not, again here, like if it is not, like it must not be three sides equal. At least if there is a chance of equal, like two sides, then if two sides are equal in any triangle, then it's an isosceles triangle. If not, it is a scalene triangle. Again we need to drag the selection box, just drag and drop here. Okay, write the condition, click on that selection box, right click on edit. So if A equal to B or B equal to C or C equal to A, that means if any two sides are equal, if yes, it is an isosceles triangle, no? So we just want to drag and drop this output here. So if no also, there is a triangle, so just drag and drop the both, right click on edit. Is a isosceles triangle. If any two sides are equal, then it's an isosceles triangle. Done. If no sides are equal, then it's a scalene triangle. Click on done. Yes, here is our program is done. So I will explain a brief one more time for this program. So from start, first I am entering the three inputs. If the two sides is greater than the third side, then we can conclude that's a triangle. If not, it is not a triangle. Okay. If it is a triangle, if three sides are equal, then it's an equilateral triangle. If not, we can say it as, again we need to divide those as two triangles categories. If any two sides are equal, then it's an isosceles. If not, it's a scalene triangle. So I used to test by giving some inputs. Execute this. So it is start and asking for the side. Here I am giving 1, second side 2, 3 as the third side. See, it's an example of a scalene triangle. First, it's a triangle and it's an example of scalene triangle. Let me show one more example. One, two. It's an example of isosceles triangle. I'm giving all sides are equal. So then output will be the equilateral triangle. Let me show an example for knotty triangle also. If I give all zeros, see, that means it's not a triangle.